Hello everyone, good noon. So we're here from this one in this analyze of this game. So the name of this title of this tournament is Tech Mahindra Global Chess League 2025. So with a schedule, with a starts by events within December 15 to December 24, 2025. So let's see of this one by events by feature from this Tech Mahindra Global Chess League. So let's see. So these are the FIDE by this one from Tech Mahindra Global Chess League. So located by Mumbai, India. So these are the places here. So these are the experience by now available fans by atmosphere by world biggest chess league in this one by these tournaments here. So next of this picture. So these are the 6 team by competes by Tech Mahindra Global Chess League. So these are the team consists by 6 players within at least 2 women's and 1 junior player. So these are the 6 teams here. And also 6 teams between Fires American Gambits and Triveni Continental Kings and Alpine the Pats and Alpine the SG Pipers and PPG Alaskan Knights and Ganges Grandmasters and Upgrand Mumbai Masters. So these are the six teams here. So I thought the basketball players here from NBA and also the volleyball by team by UAP. So these are the throwback by 2010s here. So next up this picture. So these are the formats within Mahindra Technical Global Chess League. So preliminary stage by follow the finals here. So these are the 6 teams or 6 by according by 3 members. So these are the 3 groups here. So without 6 teams here. So it means the preliminary stage here. So it means 20 minutes only without rapid chess. So no increment here. And also have A without finals without 2 games here matched by top 2 teams. So it means final of this battle by this Tech Mahindra here. So it means so move by this one. So it means so it is okay by 2 seconds increment. So no increments here. So 20 minutes here. And next of this picture, so these are the prize by Tech Mahindra Global Chess League without future prize fund by $1 million. So many monies of this one by reach of this team here, or at least by $500,000 without distributes and based by game points by winning by events by $450,000 and winning by teams extra $15,000 without calculated by results by 450. So many money funds or this one. So many win of this one by tournaments. So these are a from this one by events by Tech Mahindra Global Chess League. Okay, so let's start up these games. So it means so today is round number 1. So it means so how many clocks here within rapid within 20 minutes, so no increments here. So it means it means 2 seconds increments without here. So it means no increments. So it means 20 minutes of this one by rapid chess here. So in this today's round number 1 here, and also have a between from this team China without team China here. So and also have a between from this one by members of Triveni Continental Kings and also have a Grandmaster in China, Zhu Juner. So it means Zhu Juner was a team by Triveni Continental Kings by leader by so Alireza Ferusha here. And also versus by team by Alpine SG Pipers from this Grandmaster in China, Hu Yifan from these members of this leader from Alpine SG Pipers by Fabiano Caruana here. So before we start here, so it means so schedule tomorrow from this one without SEC Days Chess Tournament 2025. So it means these are the C of this one from logo from this chess here without 2024. So it means so schedule tomorrow December 17, 2025 at 1 p.m. at 4th floor in main building by this one by chess tournament. So let's see of this picture. So these are the picture by 4th floor by main building by this one in St. Cecilia's College Cebu Incorporated main building. So last year by 2024, so I joined by this one by tournaments from this fourth floor here. So it means don't forget to December 17, 2025, 1 p.m. at fourth floor at a main building by chess tournament in St. Cecilia's College. Okay, let's start here. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings after round number 1. So white plays Zhu is d4 without moments without d4, knight f6 by Hu Yifan, knight f3, e6, and also bishop f4 London. It is called by Indians game London. And also b6 by Hu Yifan without upcoming by Fianchetto's attacks by light square by bishop to b7 here, and also e3 without defense by Zhu here, and also bishop b7 by Hu Yifan without move controls or light square by Fianchetto's attacks here, so without diagonals, without here, without pins, without this one by connected by bishops here, and also bishop e2 by Zhu Zhiner without preparing castling, without ready from this castle kingside, and also knight h5 without strong move by Hu Yifan. Without idea, without threats the bishop or counters here. So these are the connected by this one by knights here. And also bishop g5 by Zhu without disturbance by eliminates by queens here. And also decided this one defense bishop e7 by Hu Yifan without attacks the bishop, without diagonals, without dark square, without bishop to bishop, or without upcoming by castling. Castling kingside by Hu Yifan. And also bishop captured, queen captured, castling by Zhu Zhiner, castling by Hu Yifan, and also c4 without idea or without plans, or next by this one by d5 without controls or connected by strong move without attacks the pawns here, and also pawn f5 without move controls here, without strong move by Hu Yifan here, and also knight c3 by Zhu Zhiner without next by this one by d5 with a strong move here, and also without knight f6 by this one by Hu Yifan here, and also pawn d5 without controls here, without strong move, without Zhu Zhiner, without attacks this one, or very strong by connected the pass pawn here, without idea, without attacks the pawns, or without close here by this one by d6 here, without continuations here, and also push e5. So these are a new move from this one by Chinese restaurant. So without Chinese restaurant, so it means these are a new move. So these are a novelty by black pieces here. So these are the old main lines here by recording by database pawn a5 or captured pawn. So captured, so it means push to e5. So novelty by Hu Yifan, so it means does not belongs of the book lines here. And also this one by queen c2 by Zhu Zhiner with a strong move, without Zhu Zhiner, without idea, without disturbance, without threats the pawns. So these are the counters attacks here. And also decided pawn d6 by Hu Yifan, and also e4 without e4 here, without threats the pawn, so it means so that's not one of this computer by Zhu Zhiner. So these are a brand X move here. So the ones of this computer engine, this one, this queen captured pawns here. So queen takes a5 here. So if you knight capture d5 without sacrifice here, without knight takes captured, and also knight captured. So knight captured here, so knight takes d5. So if you bishop captured knights here, and also queen to g5. So queen g5 without queen to queen. So without queen to queen here. So if you queen captured accepted here, and also knight captured. So these are examples here. So these are the slightly best solutions from advantage from whites and blacks here. So these are the continuations by this one by solutions here. So back there, this one is e4 by Jujoner without counters attacks the pawns, and decided push f4 by Hu Yifan without without need more pushes or not captured. So in decided here, so do not capture pawn. If you capture this pawn, f takes here, so it means sacrifice. So it means sacrifice here if you knight capture the pawns here. So these are the ugliness by weak here. So ugliness here. And first by knight captured pawn. So these are the captured. Say if you knight captured here and also queen captured. So these are the examples here. So these are the good examples by solutions here. So back third is f4 without push by semi-close by Hu Yifan here, and also b4 by Jujoner, or maybe without idea. So next here by this one by a4 without triple pawns here, or maybe here by this one by counters by this push by this one by c5 here, and also pawn a5 without counters disturbance without threats the pawns by this one. So these are, so because these are the pawns by Hu Yifan here, and without a3 without defense the pawns. So it means, so if you capture this one, so if you captured, so it means these are the without rook to rook by same by counters attacks by captured here. And knight a6 by Hu Yifan without need more attacks the pawns, without threats the pawns. So knight by captured without sacrifice. So these are that without counters by tempos attacks here, and also rook a b1 without defense here without, because these are the develops the pawns here, and also without bishop c6 without need more backwards here. So these are the backwards by light square by this one by Hu Yifan, or without idea without next move by bishop to g4 without threats the knights here. So these are the counters moves without next move here, and also rook fc1 by Jujoner, and also h6 without strong move by Hu Yifan, or next without idea by this one by g5 that next counters the pawns here, and also c5 by Jujoner without threats the without rook c-bind without attacks the pawn. So these are the triple or double attacks by rook c-binds here, and decided by Hu Yifan captured the pawns, bishop captured knight. So these are the openings. So these are because, so these are the captured. If you capture this one, so these are the captured. So next by this one captured. So these are the next targets here. So it means bishop capture, pawn takes. So b takes c5. So I'm sorry, I got confused my brain. So because my pronouns is bad. So it means, so b takes c5 here, and bishop captured knight without attacks the light square. Bishop captured without need more captured here, and also captured good move takes, and also knight to b5 without controls here or covering by defense here, and also this one by rook fb8 without rook pairs by Hu Yifan here, or without need more b fast, rook b fast, or pins without rook to rook without bishop if you captured. So it means these are the dangerous here, so need more defense here, and also a4 good precise by Jujoner without defense the knights here, and decided bishop captured knight, rook captured without rook to rook, in accept Hu Yifan, rook takes. So these are the same the pawns here. So these are the same. So without black pawns and white pawns. So if you move here, without move by this one by a4 by Hu Yifan, if you move a3, a2, so these are the dangerous by pushes here. So strong move by push by this one by black pieces here. And Hu Yifan without decided by this one by strong move by this one by push to a4. We'll need more pushes here, and also knight d2 by Jujoner. So without ideas or without next plans here, without next maneuvers, knight to c4 or maybe knight b1. So next by moves here from this next maneuver, and also knight d7 without controls by Hu Yifan, or maybe without next by counters here, and also knight c4 good move by Jujoner. So it means without no more by this one by a3, that counters by this one by push by black pieces here, and also without queen g5 by Hu Yifan, or next by this one strong without f3. So next by f3 by pawn, so it means so very dangerous, so cannot capture the pawn. So these are the targets without pins, without check here. So next by this one by f4 without counters by this one by strong move by black pieces, and also f3 without no more by blacks by f3. So these are the stoppable by this one to need more pushes here, and also procte active move by king h7 by Hu Yifan. So because these are the determinations here, and also rook a1 without defense here, so need more protects the pawn, so no more stop by this one by a3 pawn. So these are the without pawns here, so cannot move. So these are the no more by moves here, and also queen h4 without strong move by this one by Hu Yifan here without strong move, and also h3 without h3 without good precise by Zhu Zhuner, and push a3 without continuous move by Hu Yifan without continue. So these are the so need more push by this one by black pieces here, and also procte active king f1 by Zhu Zhuner, and also knight b6 by Hu Yifan without attacks the knights here, without knight to knights, and knight captured without knight captured by pawns without ignorance. So it means, so in idea, if you captured by knight, so do not capture. So if you knight takes b6 here, so it means capture the pawns, because these are the pawns without connected the passed pawns here. So these are the so need more captured by knights here. So it means, so back there, this one knight captured by ignorance, so need more knight takes captured pawns here, and also queen e7 by Hu Yifan without defense the pawns here, and also rook a2 without move side by this one by Zhu Zhuner here. So it means bad move, so that's not one of this computer engine here. So the best move this one is queen to b2 here is a right move by without continuations here. So these are the ones of this computer engine here, so slightly better from whites here. So back there, this one is rook a2 by Zhu Zhuner here, and good move rook a2 without good move by precise by this one by Hu Yifan here, and also knight to b1 without need more controls by Zhu Zhuner, or next by this one maneuver is knight to c3 without knight c3, or without threats the attacks the rooks here, and also rook captured. So it means without rook captured here, without rook to rook, so it means that's not one of this right move of this captured by Hu Yifan. So the one's computer is ignorance by rook to b4. So need more ignorance here. So according by this one by computer engine here, so these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there, this one is rook captured accepted, queen takes rook, and also push c4 without controls by Hu Yifan. So these are the weak by ugliness pawn structure. So these are the next move by this one from targets by this one in this one by pushes by pawns here, and also queen a3 without queen to queen, and ignorance queen d7, another bad move by Hu Yifan. That bad move here. So the best move there, this one is queen to d8 here. So without queen d8, so according by this one by computer engine, so slightly advantage from blacks here. So back there, this one is queen d7 without another bad move by Hu Yifan, and also knight c3. So X move by Zhu Zhuner. So it means, so the best moves there, this one is queen to b4. So queen b4 here. So if you move by this one by queen to d8. So if you move by queen d8 here, and also knight a3. So knight a3 here. So these are the good solutions from these whites and blacks here. So these are the slightly advantage here. So slightly good examples, or slightly betters from whites and blacks. So back there, this one is knight c3 by Zhu Zhuner here without defense the pawns here, and also without queen d8 by Hou Hifan, and also knight d1 without controls by this one by Zhu Zhiner here, or maybe without idea without knight b2. So if you knight b2 or knight to f2. So next move from this one by continuations here, and also queen d7 by Hou Hifan without attacks the pawns here, or realize without threats the pawns. So threatening the pawns here, and also queen c5 without develops the pawns here, and also king g8 without proc the active move here. So it means another third bad move by Hou Hifan here. So the best one's computer is need more backwards by queen to g8 here. So queen g8, I mean queen d8, sorry. So queen d8 here. So queen d8 is a right move here. I'm sorry, I got wrong notes here. So queen d8 is a best move from this one. So slightly solutions from blacks here. So king g8 by Hou Hifan here, and good move by Zhu Zhiner is knight b2. What a good move by this one by Zhu Zhiner, or without idea, without threats the pawns here, without counters attacks here, and also decided by push c3 without threats the knights here, and decided queen captured pawn. So these are the one piece down here by this one by Hou Hifan here, and also queen captured without check here, and good move by Zhu Zhiner is king g1. Without king g1 here, without good precise by proc the active move, and also knight to d7. So these are the C of this below evaluation bar by black pieces here. So it means so does not accept by computer engine. So the one's computer engine is king to h7. So need more proc the active move here. So etc etc. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there, this one is knight d7 by Hou Hifan here, and also knight d3 without need more defensive here. So it means another Bran X move by Zhu Zhiner. So the best move this one is queen takes c7. So queen takes c7 here. So if you move by this one by queen to e2. Strong move by these black pieces. If you threats the knights here, so how do you control if you threats the knights from these continuations here, and also decided by knight to d3. Oh, knight d3? Okay, knight d3. So knight d3 here. So strong move by sacrifice here. So without highest evaluation bar. If you knight d3, and also, so where do you put here? So it means knight f6. Oh, knight f6. So knight f6 here. So knight f6 is a best solutions here. So these are the slightly good examples here. So slightly betters from advantage from whites and blacks here. So slightly betters. So back there, this one is knight d3 by Zhu Zhiner here, and also good move queen b6 check by Hou Hifan, and also king h2, and also queen d6 by Hou Hifan, and also knight b4 by Zhu Zhiner without move side by this one by move by these knights here, and also queen g6 by Hou Hifan without good controls here, without determinations by this one by black pieces, and also knight c6 by Zhu Zhiner. So without idea, without move side by this one by counter moves by knight e7, without check or without traps the queens here. So queen's trap. So these are the dangerous from blacks here, and decided this one is queen d6 without no more by knight e7 without checks here, and also without queen a1 by Zhu Zhiner without idea, without next move by queen a8 without check, without counters attacks without checks here, and also king h7 without proc the active move by Hou Hifan, and also knight d6 without good precise here by Zhu Zhiner without idea, without move side by knight to f7 without threats the queens. So these are the counters attacks. So these are the determinations here, and also decided by queen g6 without move controls without no more by knight f7. So it means bad move by Hu Yifan. So the best move this one is knight to f8. So knight f8 here. So these are the good evaluation bar. So slightly better from blacks here. So back there, this one is queen g6 by Hu Yifan here. And also good move by knight e6 by Zhu Zhiner. Without idea, without... So no more by this one by movement here. So need more controls by knight e6 by good precise here. And also the pawn c6 without sacrifice, without attacks the pawn. So it means another bad move by Hu Yifan. So it means the one's computer, the best move this one is c5 pawns. So c5 pawns here. So without controls here. So if you move by this one by Empassat captured. So without d takes c6 here, without threats the knights here. And also queen captured without movement here. So queen captured, so one piece down by this one by Zhu Zhiner here. So without more of these controls, or if you captured by knights here and queen captured. So these are a same by without queen to queen here. So these are a 4 martial pawns here. So 4 martial pawns, so same by this one by 4 martial here without martial pawns here. So these are the slightly better from advantage from whites and blacks here. So back there is c6 by Hu Yifan, sacrifice here and captured without threats the knights. So without captured without threats the knights here. So I'm sorry, I got wrong because I think eating my breakfast here. So it means d takes c6 here and also queen captured knight, captured the knights and queen captured. So these are the same by these queen to queens here. Same by queen to queens and same by these 4 martial pawns. So this is called by 4 martial pawns. So these are the pawns by this one by emperors here. And decided by this one is queen captured pawn. So one piece down by Hu Yifan. So 4 connected pass pawn and versus 3 connected pass pawns. So without queens, without threats the pawns here. So these are the next counters attacks. And also without queen d2 by this one without defense by Hu Yifan here. And also queen f5 check by Zhu Zhiner without check, and also king h8. So it means so without time clocks within 21 seconds by Zhu Zhiner and also 5 seconds by Hu Yifan. So it means without dying seconds here. And also without e5 without controls by Zhu Zhiner or next by push without promotes the queens here. So these are the next concentrations by Zhu. And also without queen e3 by Hu Yifan here without attacks the pawns. And also e6 queen e1. Without queen e1, without idea, without move by queen to g3 without check. So without check by this one by dangerous from whites here. And also queen f8 check by Zhu Zhiner and properly active by Hu Yifan is king h7. Queen f5 check and also king h8 queen captured. So without queen captured, so it means bad move by Zhu Zhiner. So that's not one of this captured this one. So the one's computer, the best move is queen to e4. So queen e4 here without threats the pawns. So it means without queen to queen. Without queen to queen, if you queen captured accepted here and also captured by f takes e4. So these are a ugliness pawn structure here. Without promotes here, if you promotes without queens, so it means so the king cannot move. So if you move by king, if you king here and also e7, so it means the king cannot move this one because these are the pawns without upcoming by promotes the queens here. So it means if you move this one, king h7 and promotes the queen. So wins for whites by this one. So loss from blacks here. So very loss of these continuations here. So back there, this one is queen captured by Zhu Zhiner here and also without queen captured. So these are the 3 connected pass pawn versus 2 connected pass pawns here. And also without h4 by Zhu Zhiner and also queen d5 by Hu Yifan. queen b8 check, king h7, and also queen b1 check, king h8, and also queen e4 without queen to queen. So without queen to queen here, and also queen d6 check. So these are so it is okay by normals without check. So the problem does not accept by computer. So it means without decided by once of this computer without test is queen captured accepted and captured. So without captured here, so it means so these are the three connected passphones or two connected. So these are the best solutions. So it means so no need by captured by queen to queen here. So it means accept by this one by computer. So it means without queen d6 check, so it means accept by computer. So no need by captured by queen to queen here. And also without f4 by Jujner here, without continuations here, and also without queen d8 by Hou Yifan, without idea, without threats the pawns, without attacks, without targets, without checks by kings here, but by white pieces here. So it means 6 seconds by Jujner and 7 seconds by Hou Yifan without time seconds here. Almost by timeouts by lockdowns here. So let's continue queen d8 and also king h3 without defense, without develops the pawns, and also queen c8 check, king h2, queen d8. Okay, without queen d8 here, without Hou Yifan, without attacks the pawns. Defense king g3 by Jujner, queen c8, and also queen d4, queen b8, and also queen e5, queen c8, and also h5, the strong move by this one by defense here. And also king h7 without property active by Hou Yifan, king f3 by Jujner, and king h8, queen d5, queen b8, and also g3, and also queen f8, king e4, queen e8 check, and also queen e5, and also queen c6 check, and also king f5, queen c2 check, and also king g4, queen d1 check, king h4, queen h1 check, king g4, queen d1 check, and king h4. So it means 3 repetition draw from round number 1 here. So it means not bad. So it means the score. So the score by accuracy by white pieces is 90.9 by this one by Jujner, and the score by Hou Yifan 19.1. So it means the winner of this score by accuracy by round number 1, Grandmaster Jujner. Congratulations. So next up this one by next round, so I will choose up this one by Tech Mahindra Global Chess League without later of this choose up this games here. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lowagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess update. So it means tomorrow by December 17, 2025 at 1 p.m. in 4th floor in this main building in St. Cecilia's College, Cebu, incorporated by chess tournaments here. So have a good day and bye-bye.